Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Sophie Financial Network. Today is July 24th, 2022, with another weekly analysis for S&P 500. Here's the monthly chart, and as you know, this week is going to be last week for the month of July, and a very important week, to be honest. The Federal Reserve is coming with its monetary policy for the month of July. Everyone is expecting Federal Reserve is coming back with another probably 0.75 basis point interest hiking in interest rate for the month of July, and the market will react to that one aggressively if it is above that. And also we have lots of earnings announcements for big tech companies this week. So lots of volatility, lots of up and down for the market. Just buckle up for that one. If you don't know how to manage your position, just stay away from the market. You don't need to be all the time in the market, in the position, even when there is a volatile week or days. So anyway, this is the monthly chart for S&P 500. This is the dynamic trend. Everyone knows about this trend. If you follow me in my video analysis on YouTube, you know that I'm really leaning on this type of simple analysis, and this level just breaking down. Last month of June, we had a nice rejection of the month of May, and I thought that probably month of June would be another follow through, but it didn't have. So market just go all the way down to this level. And month of July, we expected a bullish momentum for the month of July, and sure enough, we see that bullish momentum. And look how beautifully this trend line react to the price, and price just rejected, just touching this level and then coming back down. So this level, I would say 4,000 would be very important level for monthly, weekly, and daily. As we are going to the weekly and daily, you will see what I'm expecting. But for now, market had very nice upside for the month of July. I wouldn't expect this week change anything. We probably have like up and down, but the monthly candle for the month of July would be green. This is my expectation. Right now we are at 3,957.58, and I believe we are getting another follow through probably this week, not for tomorrow. Monday would be very tricky, but for the rest of the week, I would say market just have another follow through week, a nice green bar to the upside, and month of July would be a green bar as well. As I said before in my previous videos, look at this level. 4,200 is the key point for S&P 500. As long as we are below 4,200, we are in a longer term bearish momentum or bear market. But when we close above this SMA 20 on monthly chart, we should say we are getting back to the bull market. Right now we are in bear market, and bear market will have a dead cat bounce or relief rally, and that would be very strong one, like we are expecting to have a good one probably for the months of July, August, and probably first half of the month of September. Okay, go to weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart, and stochastic wise, we are first of all, the price action is pretty positive. I told you last week we are into a bullish momentum, bullish consolidation, and sure enough, we had a nice green bar. We just closed above this trend line, which is bullish, and market reacting to SMA 150 on the weekly candle, and this is bullish as well. Still, I'm looking for a 4,100, a 4,125. That would be the area for a major target for the weekly perspective. And right now, momentum is up. MACD is moving up, sloping up. Stochastic is just crossing over. Nice divergence here, going upward, sloping up. So there is nothing wrong with 1 day or two red candle within the uptrend in a short term perspective, but for the long term, as I said, we are into a bear market and we are not getting back to the bull market at all. So don't confuse yourself with those up and downs. We in any bear market, we will have a strong rally, and I think this is going to be the most strongest rally in 2022. So you need to position yourself. We are positioning ourselves for a nice rally. I would say the longest target that I'm expecting for 2022 after that is going to be this level, 4,300. I know I said 4,400, but I'm just leveling it down a little bit for 4,300. So the first strong one is 4,125 based on weekly analysis. The next one is going to be this level. So we should see how fast we are getting to this level. And this is very decisive moment for the market, and probably October, September this year would be a decisive moment for the entire market for the next years as well. So just be careful on that. But for now, we are stay bullish cautiously, and I'm expecting even 1 day or 2 days. A red bar is just a correction within a short-term uptrend. Okay, going to daily chart, and here is the daily chart. Daily chart, as you expected and we expected, this is a nice W pattern inside the bullish consolidation. Two strong setups are forming at the level that we want to see. This is the level that we want to see, and here is the level as I expected. Price is reacting, and sure enough, we're reacting above this level, and we're just piercing through twice to 3660. I told you, and still I'm looking for downside, but for now I'm just cautiously bullish. And this is the dynamic trend line that I just told you. Here are two short-term targets for S&P 500. Probably this week, I would say end of this week, we are getting to this area. So again, for 1 day or two, probably we are testing this SMA 50 on the daily chart. And as long as we are above this SMA 50 in daily chart by close, that would be the strong bullish momentum. And let me tell you one thing, we can't get to this level right there. So 38, mark it up in your drawing or your chart. Mark it up at 38.90, 38.80. That would be probably the pierce for tomorrow, Monday. Right now, future is coming down. So probably Tuesday, Monday, that would be the end of the bullish, the end of the corrective momentum for another upside, probably to this level. So keep an eye on that. This is very decisive moment for the market, and I would say very choppy, sloppy, and then for end of the August we can go all the way to here, and that would be the end of the wave 4. This is the alternative that I just pointed out, and that could be the wave 4, and that would be the maximum level that I'm expecting. I'm not sure if even if we are getting there, but if we pierce through and above this level and hold above this level, so we can go all the way up to here and probably 4,400, don't get me wrong, then everyone is getting bullish, but I'm not, just because this is not a bull market, this is bear market. So that would be a good short setup if we want to take advantage, and we will take advantage of this one. So right now we are bullish, and I'm just continue with the bullish momentum right now. So this week again, on I would say July 28th, the Federal Reserve meeting would be on Wednesday, and lots of earning announcements for Microsoft, for Visa, for Apple, for Facebook, and probably Amazon as well. So just be careful and buckle up for the volatile week. All right. That's all for today. If you have got any questions, just go down there to the chat box and put your question down there in the comment boxes. If you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. This is the least support that you can give us, and you can just encourage us for more analysis like this. Have a good rest of your weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.